Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Alcohol Detection and Accident Prevention of Vehicle Using Arduino with Alcohol and Accident Alert System. So in this project we are using an Arduino Uno R3 and 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and we are converting into 5 volts pure DC output, and we are getting the SMS alert through GSM module GSM SIM 900A. Those are connected with RX and TX 0 and 1. External GPS module we are connected to the RX3 GPS GY6M V2 GPS module. MQ3 alcohol sensor, it is connected to the analog A0. ADXL335 MEMS accelerometer sensor, it is connected with the A1 A2 X coordinate and Y coordinate. 16x2 LC display, it is connected with RS enable D4 D5 D6 D7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Orange LED, it is connected to the fifth pin. Green LED, it is connected to the fourth pin. Engine sixth pin. Alarm seventh pin. So we are getting the alert messages: alcohol detected, vehicle location place, latitude point, longitude point. If you open this visit web page, so it will ask the internet. Okay, so vehicle location place, latitude, accident alert system. So whenever you open this, it will ask for the web page, visit web page. So it will show you the output onto the Google Map location. So here we are using one GSM model, GSM SIM 900A. So this is lock unlock type. Whenever we press it should be open. Okay, so here it is closure type, open closure type, press down and press. Okay, so here we are using GSM SIM 900A, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance and internet balance. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply. So we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. Okay, and that should be connected to here. Okay, and Arduino Uno R3 board, reset button, USB programming. So 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And GPS module, GPS GY6M V2 GPS module, and MQ3 alcohol sensor, ADXL335 MEMS accelerometer sensor. Like any type, any side accident, it will tell you the vehicle accident. Okay, this is on off switch button for the GPS module, engine and alarm, one green LED and one red LED, green LED, orange LED indicators. So now I am going to give the power supply, alcohol detection and accident prevention of rescue system using GSM GPS Arduino Uno R3 GPS initializing, waiting for the GPS signal. So we are waiting for the GPS signal. Here the blue color LED should be on and off. So if you are not getting the signal, you can go for the upward direction and press reset button. Predefined latitude longitude value will become. Alcohol detection, accident prevention of vehicle rescue using GSM GPS Arduino Uno R3. So one latitude point and longitude point. GPS is ready. Initializing GSM modem. Initialized successfully. So alcohol, there is no alcohol, normal. So everything should be normal. Okay, so engine on, green LED is also on. So now I am taking the alcohol. Okay, so MQ3 alcohol sensor. So we are showing the alcohol 218, 200 above, set point is 200. So green LED, orange LED is on, alarm on, orange LED is on. SMS came, alcohol detected, vehicle location, latitude point, longitude point. So now GPS signal is coming. Okay, you can press down. Okay, you can press down. So now we are going for the accident alert system. Okay, press reset button. Whether if it is minor accident, okay, it is major accident, vehicle accident, sending SMS, latitude point, longitude point. Okay, now it is coming 00. Okay, sending SMS, SS sent. Okay, now it is 00. Whether press reset button, alcohol detection and accident. Whether GPS signal came, you need to press the reset button, then you will get the exact latitude longitude point. Yeah, exact latitude longitude point came. Okay, normal, engine on, green LED is on. Okay, vehicle accident, press reset button. GSM SIM 900A power supply module, MQ3 alcohol sensor, ADXL 335 MEMS accelerometer sensor, GPS antenna, GPS module, motor, alarm, orange LED, green LED, Arduino Uno R3 board. Now SMS came, the latitude point, longitude point. Okay, so now I am taking the alcohol. Okay, 200 above. Okay, engine off, orange LED on, alarm on. This is our block diagram. SMS came, vehicle location place, latitude point, longitude point. Press it, open, visit web page, SVS embedded. Okay, thank you.